Hey guys, got a quick video in which I'm going to show you how to describe the structure of a table and list the data found in the table inside of a database inside of a MySQL server. So here we have a MySQL server running on Google Cloud, and in it we have a database named SQL Injection, and inside of that we have three tables named items, students, and users. So if we wanted to know what the structure of the items table is, we would use the describe command. The describe command works by typing describe followed by a space followed by the table name followed by a semicolon. So we could type in describe items semicolon and press enter. And you see it shows us the structure, in other words, how the data is organized inside the items table. And the data is organized into two fields, item number and description. As you can see, the item number field is an integer field, which means it can only contain whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, and a description field, which contains a variable number of characters up to 100 characters in length. And each of those fields represents a single row or record in the database. We could describe the users table the same way, and we could see that it has two fields in the table, each a variable number of characters up to 100 characters, the first field named username and the second field named password. Now, if we'd like to select the data from the table, we use a select command. And the most common select command follows this format. Select star from table name. In this case, I'm selecting all the records and all the fields from the users table. And what you see is those two fields, username and password, are represented by columns, and each record is represented by a row below those column headings. So you can see we have two records, one for Robert with a password of password, and one for Lisa with a password of secret. Now if we ran the same select statement against items, you would see that we have three records in the items table. The first record is item number 1 with a description of textbook. Item number 2 is the second record with a description of computer. And item number 3 with a description of foo. So this is a basic introduction to the select statement. You can type select star from any table name and it will list all the fields and all the columns in that table.